My name is Emily. I'm on Painting Decorating Diploma Level 1, and one of my favourite things I do on the course is the different techniques that you learn with brushes and different techniques for wallpapering. Some of the modules we learn on the course are different techniques with brushes and how to cut in. Some are different techniques of wallpapering, best ways to put them up, best ways to keep them without them going solid, and staining the wallpaper. The bays are awesome. They're a small area where two people will work alongside each other and can help each other. The class, you have access to paint brushes, rollers. You can get new brushes if you do really well in the class. You get a gift sort of set. The paints are all along on the sides where anyone can access them from the classwork, and anything that you need, Chris will be able to supply. Chris is awesome. He is very down to earth with us lot and has much of a laugh with us and is able to help us with anything, and all the work that we do, he will help give us step by steps on how to do it all, and will show and demonstrate on the walls for the work. Chris is always going above and beyond with us. He is constantly doing the best for us, getting the best paints and everything, and the best teaching skills that he's ever had is probably with us lot, I would say. After this year's course, I'm planning to do level 2, which is getting further detail in painting. You learn how to work on scaffolding and loads of different techniques for walls and painting, basically. At this campus, I would say everything is quite close. The facilities are in walking distance. You don't have to go down loads of stairs. For the rooms and everything here, it is walking distance, and everything is able to be done here, and it's very enjoyable, I'd say.